Dog, Daddy. Dog. They're gonna bite you, Skadito. You better chill out, not bother them. Hey, woof. Hey, handsome. Hey, Popeyes. You hear the other dog barking? Woof. Skadito. Dog. Uh-oh. Come on, let's go. Let's go, mijo. Leave them alone. They want to chill out. Come on, let's go. You hear that other dog? Man, he's gonna get rowdy on you. Come on, let's Skadito. Woo! Skadito. No te va a morder, mijo. Be careful. Hey, déjalo. Hey, hazte para acá. Hey, hazte para acá. You pulled his hair. Don't pull his hair, Daddy. Look at you pulling his fur. Don't pull his fur. Look at that. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Why you